How you guys doing? It's your boy Conor McGregor and Jackie Chan. we got the Shiny Legends collection Darkrai GX. We about to open this bitch.
Hola G!
Giorbo!
Geto! The fries got the back of my
We got the Darkrai GX, the small one. And then we got the big one.
Man, they already got this shit bent.
This is about the same size as my forehead.
I'm not laughing.
Good.
Cold.
This Thunder Energy Super Scoop Up. Sulfurculus.
iPod.
I'm just gonna do it. I'll actually take that for alligator. Holy shit.
Oh no. We got the Spirit Bomb.
Voltorb, Croconaut,
Bro.
Torcat,
The OG. We got Pikachu. We got Bulbasaur. We got Torkoal. We got Evasaur. Witherfish. What we got?
These are both legendary Pokemon.
I'm about to queef.
I got a fucking, I think it's reverse holographic Yveltal.
I think mine's just holographic.
Yours is reverse.
Reverse?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
I think
reverse.
this. I don't know if the whole card like, around is holographic or just the middle's holographic.
The middle is holographic for me.
Oh, so they're just holographic.
Yeah, so it's just holographic. So there's that pack.
That was all right.
Which one are we gonna pick next?
I want to see the Rayquazas last.
Rayquazas
Let's
last.
do a Genesect.
Genesect? Alright.
Code?
Give me a sec.
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Dick in the back.
Alright.
Good. Water energy. Warp energy. How?
Arbok.
Scrafty.
Super Scuba.
Oh, dude, now I have the full set. The Toadal, Crocodile, and Alligator. Fuck yeah.
So
Bulbasaur.
Yeah,
Pikachu, boy. Yeah, that can go with my shit. Stunfisk.
Lavesta.
Ekans with your Arbok.
Breloom.
A reverse Hollow Lily supporter card.
Ooh.
A holographic Reshiram legendary Pokemon.
What?
What'd you get? You got another Shaman, bro. Code? How's that one or Dragon Ball song go? Chow Lao, Head Chalao, Ekon Undaroase. Dark Energy. Floatzel.
Pokemon Breeder.
Golert.
Really?
Look, my Golett. Pokemon Catcher, Litton again.
Voltorb.
Larvesta, Breloom, Torracat, Plusle,
Scraggy.
another fucking reverse hollow Lily. I'll let you go first. What we got?
3, 4.
Alright, make sure nobody sees that shit. Fairy Energy. Scrafty. Energy Retrieval. Floatzel. Litton. Larvesta. Purloin. Croconaut. Pikachu. And Liepard. Is that it? And a Palkia! Damn. How am I gonna beat that? Hopefully I get that Wobble Fett again.
Oh my god, if you do, I'm gonna cry.
Water Energy. Venusaur. Ultra Ball. Lily. Purloin. Minen, my bad. Stunfisk. Breloom, Ekans, Spiritomb Reverse, and the NTGX. Ah, Javier! Javier! Ah, the feeling your puppy. I kind of do want your Pelican though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sad about that. I'll give you my Yveltal for your Pelican. But damn, I just scratched my knee. Entei. That is fucking mint, bro. You won the first one. I won the second one. Wow. One to Jackie Chan, one to Conor McGregor. We got Mike Tyson down there. Polo G. Tierbo. Back. We got Meowth, Vmax. Out of everything we got a fucking cat.
Hey, if anything, I asked you which one. You said the middle one.
Yeah, because it looked shiny.
There was the only one that was shiny out of all three of them. I'm like, fuck.
180 HP. And then we got Vmax Meowth with 300 HP. And then we got the big boy Meowth. Nice. Code.
There's not even a code.
Yes,
Please,
daddy.
right now.
Fuck me.
Harder.
Papi.
Senor.
Despacito. If I can.
Open the shit. Code.
I'm gonna be here for the next 2 hours, bro.
2 hours later.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare off on more. I got energy steal.
You got
Oh, I'll take a fucking Prinplup.
Tangrowth.
Enrith. Hey, Prinplup. Cricketune.
Enrith.
Trapinch.
Sneasel.
Flip baby.
Natu.
Dingala with your Dingroff. Duskull.
Trapinch.
Time Pole.
Seer.
Trevenant. Holographic. Not bad. And then
Yeah.
a shitty Seismitoad.
Undefined. And then a mush.
That's a legendary. That's a mythical Pokemon. My bad.
Good. Good. Water.
Aqua Page.
Alter of the Moon.
Morini.
Choice Band.
Sableye.
Tentacle.
Machop.
Buildum.
Whalmer.
Another Tentacle.
Stuffle.
Theory.
Phantom with my Trevenant. Heck yeah.
Barbuch.
Helioptile.
Sadrano.
A Chansey holographic.
A Castle.
A Probopass.
A Sharpedo.
This was an ass pack for both of us.
To be honest.
Step your game up. Pull out game week.
Lena 4.
Chode.
Chum. Yeah, what the? Already? Okay.
Mewtwo. I have that card over there, by the way. Switch Trainer. Nidorino.
Nidorino.
We got Spirit Link or we total. Oh my god. Dodo. Staryu. Onyx. Oh, I guess there's a difference for that.
It's
NOG. Mess Spirit. That's a legend Pokemon. Sableye. Lapras. Full line. Joltik. Dratini. Yungoos. Yanma. One Fazant. And Whimsicott. Ode.
Chum.
We got water.
We got fire.
We got Heracross.
We got
that was nice. We got Pangoro.
We got Steenie.
We got Golduck.
We got Doublade.
We got Steel.
We got a Sneasel.
We got a Alolan Meow.
We got a Bounsweet.
We got a Rattle.
We got the Joltik.
We got We got Pussy
We got Sanadid.
We got Jane Moto.
We got the right.
We got Sveel holographic.
We got the Janet the Bomb Bomb.
Oh, we got a full Corona GX.
We got the Akranadid. Okay. This pack will save me. This pack will save me.
You want to trade?
Oh, bitch.
Energy retrieval. Kakuna.
Oh, baby.
Pidgeot Spearlink. Dodua.
Little Peep.
Staryu.
Pig.
Seal.
Sinsuru.
Charmander.
Snowdrum.
Magnemite.
Coughing.
Nidorino.
Ibro.
Venusaur EX. Venusaur EX. Oh! That's a Ultra Beast. That's a legendary Pokemon. But Venusaur VX. Hey, you should have traded, you dumb fuck.
I should have. Oh, bitch. Damn. I really should have.
Venusaur EX. Shit. You like?
Queef.
And I got the Volcarona EX.
Why look like a damn moth?
Because it is. Oh shit. Good game.
Good game.
We all know who won that one.
Yeah.
Javier. That's 2 me, 1 you. You had the first video dub when I had a shitty Wobbuffet.
Wow.
And now my luck has turned around.
For now.
But this Mewtwo pretty fire though.
Looks like he lost weight.
So that's the end of the video. Black Nipple Tribe signing out.
Black
Baba Tunde.
Nim 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 nim.